Open Facebook, share pictures with men. I showed them. Now she
To Lagos. He said, I have come to kidnap the children.
came back. They said, Daddy, we're no more going to Abuja. I said, why? I don't want to go to Abuja. You stay with your mommy while I visit. Why no more going to Abuja? He said, Daddy, mommy is bringing men to the house, kissing inside the house. The neighbor is
I
there.
went
This and
ahead, I
that.
got the accommodation with the hope that when I get back to Lagos, I will relocate the children back to Abuja. Then that I'm doing a shower. That is how I put it. I'm doing prostitution.
I don't go to Abuja. Why you go to Abuja for? Say, instead of her to go to Abuja, she will divorce me.
So in this particular video, this pastor here, this man here is a pastor, and he is accusing the wife of cheating in their marriage, and they have separated. But the thing there is that he doesn't want the wife to have access to the children. That is just the reality here and why they were in court. So let's see how Judge Fumi handles it.
Your Honor, this case is between Mary Ukpong and John Uchenna. Parties for.
Thank you, Aki.
You're welcome.
Mary Upong, Pastor John Uchenna. Okay. I realized that you've been living apart for some time now. And how many children do you have?
3 girls.
3 of them. And she claimed the 3 children are with you. You are with the 3 children. You have the custody of the 3 children.
Yes.
How long have they been with you?
I think 11 years now.
11 years that the children have been with you. Okay. When was the last time she saw? Because she's claiming you've not been giving her access to the children. That's what I read what you wrote. I'm just telling you her own claim. You know, that's what she said. Tell me what happened.
We were still living together in Lagos when transfer took me to Abuja. I went to Abuja in 2012. Then from time to time, I do come back home to see the children. And at times if I'm in Abuja, I send him money for the children upkeep. If I'm coming down, I bring food stuff for the children. So 2013, even before I left, the agreement was that when I get to Abuja, the children will relocate. Then he will be the one coming to visit us. In some of the time that I come back to Lagos to visit, at times I don't even have to take permission. I'll just sneak out of the office. By the time I get back, Query will be waiting for me. So by 2013, I had to seek for accommodation. On getting the accommodation, with his knowledge and with his permission, I went ahead, I got the accommodation with the hope that when I get back to Lagos, I will relocate the children back to Abuja. But on getting to Lagos, he said I have come to kidnap the children, that he doesn't know where I'm taking them to. Maybe I'm taking them to another man's house. I said, how can I be taking my own children to another man's house? That was when he now said, until he came. He comes to inspect the place.
He came to Abuja.
He came to Abuja. He saw the place and he was satisfied that that's a nice place. By December 2013, I came back to Lagos, get my children their Christmas wears, and I took them to Abuja for Christmas, which he allowed. Then me getting to Abuja on 22nd, to my greatest surprise, at about 11 or thereabouts a.m., he called me on 24th December that he was on his way to Abuja. I said, but you didn't tell me you were coming. He said yes, he wanted to use it as a surprise. I said, okay, no problem. But he said that there is heavy traffic on the way. I said, you coming to Abuja by this time, and by this time you are still at Ibadan. Getting to Abuja will be too late. He said, no problem, he continued. Along the line at about 9 o'clock, I called him. I asked him, where are you? He said, they are approaching Kogi State or so. I said, okay, by the time you will get to Abuja, there may be no bike for you to get to my place that night. Please follow the vehicle to their park. Spend the rest of the night. In the morning, you come back to the house. He flare up. He picked offense that why should he go to the park and spend the night? That if he should spend the night at the park, that means he will not come to Abuja again. I said, oh, you suit yourself.
What was his own alternative arrangement to that?
He never had any arrangement.
He didn't tell you that he would rather come straight down.
He didn't tell me.
But he has the address. Did you have the address of the house when you were going? You had it, okay.
So at about 3, my phone started ringing. I checked. it was the one. What do? I can't come out by that time of the day. And moreover, I'm just about 6 months in that environment. I don't know anybody. I don't know anything. I don't even know where white people reside. So I refused to pick the call. It find its way down to my house and called. I came out because there was a man who had a dog kennel in the compound there. So in the night, he keeps the dog open. I now called the man who came and opened the gate for him. He came inside. He refused to enter inside on seeing my little sister. Said, what is she looking for in this place? Because they had a misunderstanding that January. He refused to enter inside. He chose to sit in the parlor because the house is a 1-bedroom flat apartment. In the morning, at about 6 o'clock, he woke my first daughter up and said, my daughter should bear him witness that he was in my house and I choose to chase him away and accommodate my younger sister. That was how he took his bath with annoyance and he left.
Okay.
When Christmas was over and New Year was over, I returned the children because of their school back to Lagos. Dropping the children back to Lagos, the next thing, he picked his phone. He went to my office in Yaba and went and looked for a senior colleague of mine who is in the same cadre with me, and we sit in the same office. Because there was a time he had an accident and I mentioned the woman's name. So he went there and was looking for the woman and collected the woman's number and called the woman that the woman should sack me. That he has already sacked me from the marriage. So the woman too should sack me from office. The woman was like, what is her business with me? Was she the one that employed me? That was when the whole thing escalated in the office that there is trouble in Mary's marriage. He started calling some of my colleagues that he has their numbers. Even some of them on Facebook. He would tell them that I'm doing a shower. That is how he put it. I'm doing prostitution in Abuja, that I'm not doing anything.
The thing there is that where are those things coming from? Like all these things now, where are this man's suspicions coming from? There must be a room for him to suspect all these things. That is just the reality. But let's continue.
That's my senior colleague. My senior colleague said, no. This lady will live home together and we're close together. That she's not the type of person. He refused. From there, he started telling everybody that I'm doing prostitution in Abuja, that I'm not doing anything. Because of that, he would not allow my children come close to me.
So,
Unknown?
So when after you brought your children back to Lagos, were you able to have access to them after that?
That was the end.
Please, can you tell me what happened?
Okay. Before I got married to her, let me start where she starts. She went to Abuja. But before then, I told her, don't go to Abuja. Why are you going to Abuja for? She said, instead of her to go to Abuja, she would divorce me.
Now, remember that this woman said that it was transfer that got her to Abuja. And getting the house and everything was under this man's permission. Let's continue.
It's okay, that's what you want. It's okay, no problem. She went to Abuja, no problem. She went to Abuja. 1 year, I don't know where she's living.
She didn't come to Lagos?
She normally visit Lagos, anyway.
She normally
visit.
Okay. Mm-hmm. But you did not go there?
I didn't go there.
Okay.
That 1 year, I don't know where she come. Okay. Because under that 1 year, I do call her. Times she don't call, 1 month she don't call. She do come. Where she come, at times she go to her parents' house. From there she come to the house, which is true. Then, while she was there, 1 year, I didn't know where she come, where she go back. I said, I can be Abuja. I don't know where you are.
Why didn't you follow her? Why didn't you go and meet her?
To meet her. She didn't give me address. I couldn't just.
You requested for the address?
No, but then I never know her house.
It's not less for this man to start to demand those things. This man is supposed to be the one to liberally bring those things out. I must not ask my wife this kind of thing before she give it to me. If actually that she wanted me to come, that's just the reality.
It's for the address.
I asked her, she can't give me. That's the first year. After she told me she was coming. Then another first year, one day I called her 11 o'clock. 11, I just moved to call 11 o'clock. She was on the road. Madam, where are you on the road? By this time, and I don't know where you are. So this happened to you. Say, did I control her in Lagos and control her in Abuja? I don't have right over in Abuja.
Okay.
That's okay, no problem. And I don't know where you are. You normally visit. When you visit, you come to the house. No one. Then later again, one time I called her, she said she was in Nasarawa State. Why are you in Nasarawa State? I don't know where you are. If anything happened to you, they will hold me. What's the problem? He said, I can't control her in Lagos, I can't control her in Abuja.
Okay.
I didn't say anything. I keep quiet. She continues. Comes back home. I welcome her. She was at home. Times she come and go. Times she come 3 months and go. Then no wahala. Then, when they're coming home, I discovered that when I came back, I just traveled, came back. You look at the house, nothing. Her property was no more there.
Okay.
I said, my children told me, Daddy, the moment I come, the junior brother, I come and pack the property away. I said, is it up to like that? I didn't say anything. I went to her mother. Your daughter pack her property away. What's going on? She said she have her property. She can put it anywhere she like. I didn't say anything.
Okay.
Just a minute. Before this period, were you having any issues in your
Yes, the issue. There's issue.
You have issues in the marriage?
Yes,
Okay.
there's issue.
All right.
The mother, she told me, say, Abuja, she can go Abuja now. When she come back, she said, men are dying for her in Abuja. After she's managing me. Men are dying for her in Abuja. Then, if I can remember, then open Facebook, she had pictures with men. I showed her. Now she'll be taking me somewhere.
You know what? I want to.
I just want to learn. So,
okay.
Can I get understand? After I finish, she just said that I will not cut off.
Right.
I showed her. But this thing now, many people have talked to us. Why this issue and trouble continues? My parents called her, my father called her. He's late now. Ignore my father's son, they called him a fool. My senior sisters, they called her. What's the problem? Ignore them. Oftentimes, I come to the family with the people to go to their family and explain, look at their daughter. What's going on? Come back. If you know it's your money in Abuja, no. In fact, you have seen men better than me in Abuja. I didn't say anything. Then we agreed that the children will be with her in Abuja. I will visit it. Then that I allowed the children to go, despite whatever that's happening. I didn't worry. But I told her before the witch, she said the truth. Anyway, she said it, I'm a pastor, but this is the truth. I told her, I said, okay, before I come, I must know where you are. I won't leave my children for you until I know where you're living. Then let her go to a house, say, I've gotten a house. I went there and I saw the house. I said, okay. Whether you change, the children will be with you. So I'll be visiting. The children went for her for Christmas. They were there. Even if I called the children, she wouldn't allow me to call the children. I was surprised. Then later, the children came back to Lagos. Then when the children came back, they said, Daddy, we're no more going to Abuja. I said, why? I'm no more going to Abuja. You stay with your mom where I'm visiting. Why am I not going to Abuja? He said, Daddy, mom is bringing them to the house, kissing inside the house. The neighbor is there. This and that is there.
Are you not seeing it? Are you not seeing the main cocoa here? Are you not seeing the main cocoa here? Let's continue.
Then I called her. He said, if you know, if I marry Satan, they're a better husband. If I say, see men better than me in Abuja. After I have a small prick. Yes, that's the truth. I keep quiet. I reported to her mother. Her mother didn't say anything. I keep quiet watching. But the issue had been started. I ran away from the house 3 times.
Who?
3 times. I keep quiet.
Who ran away from there?
She, even before she went to Abuja. Then some men, if I mention the names, if you can know Christian Pentecostal Mission, CPM, Reverend Dr. Ezekiel, he's late now. If you're former, he's my general overseer, former PFN chairman in Nigeria. Called her. What is their problem? She brought the man. Some men of God, almost most of them have called them. Some of them is alive, some of them is dead. Some of my friends even called her. What's the problem? No, Allah. Then when she came, she told the children, this is where the children started running away from her. The children are grown now. She told the children, she will deal with anyone that told me what she did in Abuja. Now children are going to be afraid of her. I'm telling the truth.
What's the age of the children now? What's their age now?
Then.
Now.
Oh, they don't know.
What's their age? But if one of you is here now for reconciliation, that maybe I want her back, I want to come back. If that is the issue, then I'll start considering what she has said and what you have said. But all that we have before us here now is just about her having access to the children. You understand? From the vibes I can feel between the two of you, she cannot come to the house to see the children. Your own house to see the children.
She normally comes. She watch this Sosman.
Do you still want to go to the house to see the children?
I told you if you are coming, call me. I'll be there.
Your Honor, he packed at every given minute.
He does what?
He pack. He move from one compound to another.
I'm asking you, just tell me, where do you stay? You are in Abuja?
Yes.
Where do you stay in Lagos?
Ibasa.
Iba. That's where you both live. We were both living before.
No, we live in Uganda before.
You got to do before. And because it's Abuja, it's quite some distance. But it's access that I can grant first. Because you need to bond with them first. I can't just say they should go over there. It's been 11 years to mention. It's been 11 years. So, if you have any issue with any of the children, you need time to bond with them and win their heart over. Step forward beside your dad. Say what you want to say now. Why are you eyeing? The way he was looking at you now. Why? You were going to say something.
No, I want to
say whatever.
She
cannot fear. You see, look at me. When there are issues between your dad and your mom, don't take side. Do you know why? They have their issues. I don't want the children to be part of their issues. Keep an open mind. Now, we're going to have a situation. You are still living with your dad. You keep on living with your dad for now. But your mom needs to have access to all of them. Do you understand? We're going to agree here with your dad on a place, suggested place. Where do you have then eatery you have a mind in Ikeja? Like all those Chicken Republic, Mr. Biggs, anyone in Ikeja.
I would even prefer if you can come like a better, it would be better.
A better.
They will close and for them.
So she can just go down to a better.
She can do that. If I'm there, I'll be there.
You'll be there. If you're going to be there, then come all the way to Ikeja. I want a neutral place. I want a central place. Egbeda is close to where you stay. She's coming in from Abuja as well. Which school are you now?
I'm done with my secondary school.
Pardon?
I'm done with my secondary school.
You are waiting for admission into higher institution. Okay.
The reason I brought him here, this girl has finished secondary school for the past 3 years.
3 years?
Yes. No hope of admission. He said he doesn't have money. This girl is learning hairdresser. Your Honor, I'm a graduate.
Okay, just a minute. You were nowhere to be found around them. Okay, even if he doesn't have money, what is your own contribution? Let's just continue to watch and know what actually transpired in that session.
What is your result like? Secondary school. She has finished secondary school. So what's your result like?
It's okay.
You have all your papers.
Yes.
So what is the problem?
She have all the papers. She remain only. She just failed my dad and she fall sick.
She
Fell sick.
after she finished her paper.
No, after it's been the day of mathematics.
She fell. So she doesn't have mathematics.
She learned the mathematics. So she's taking WAEC again and jump and the WAEC again to
When is she taking that?
She registered for JAM.
Okay, you registered for JAM.
And the WAEC, the WAEC again.
Your Honor, my daughter have a phone number. I cannot reach out to her. Friends of mine went to the house and he told them never to let me have my daughter's phone number.
That is then, what is your phone number? Because you see, there are two issues on this. If she releases the phone number to you, I'm just being on the practical side. Why don't you want her to have the daughter's phone number?
This is 7 years after we left mediation center. When they asked me to take out custody of the children, she hired us and go and beat them up the following day, which I wasn't around.
Wow.
I reported that at the police station.
You know what?
So that's scared the children away. And since then, they didn't see her again.
You know what? You've taken a JAM form. You filled the JAM form. Which university did you choose?
What kind is their choice?
You are here to fill the form.
Oh, she has filled the form. What kind is their choice?
She's here to fill the form.
Because studying medicine, doctor.
I didn't ask you. I didn't ask you. I was asking her.
But I don't think
And
that,
asking you,
Judge is
I
trying to
realized
be
that
fair here.
she's even timid to even talk. And you are not even allowing her to talk. Let her talk. Just let her talk. No, stand up. Stand up. In the courtroom. All this drama. You people have to get over this. You are adults. You are no babies. Look at you. You have a 19-year-old baby. What is the problem? So if 3-4 years time she gets married, she can't even walk up to the two of you because the two of you are even behaving like babies. How would you want to advise her and her husband in a few years time? No, it shouldn't be this way.
Your Honor,
What's it?
I want to be part of her education. I've missed the secondary part of it. So this tertiary institution, I want to be part of it from the beginning to the end.
Let her gain admission first. She's an adult. And you know what? Under the law, for an adult, she's not a minor. It's like she's considered as an adult that can take a decision on her own. Do you understand? It's only the junior ones that we can take decision over. And that's why I said for her, you are not the first. I have few others like you. I personally follow up on them towards the education. So make sure she applies to the university this year. Work towards her gaining admission
I'm doing I told her pass
into the university. So
that's me to sell and I will sell.
That's the spirit.
I forgot what I wanted to say.
So now, go and hug your mom.
Is that the necessary thing now?
Let her hug her mom.
So it's not from my
Look
dad.
at you.
Let's afternoon, before we enter this place, someone that I've not seen for like how many years, I was just staring at her face. The next thing she tell me is, what am I looking at her? Like, if she wants to draw me close to her, so she can't even smile. Be like, I don't want to talk, leave me alone.
There is a lot to this. Are you seeing it now?
Don't even smile or even say, I missed you.
Yeah,
I want to come close to you. I'm just looking at her face
Like,
like,
you tell her something because they don't grow. Can you allow her
Just
to
keep
talk?
quiet and let her talk. Keep quiet.
Experience.
Keep quiet, let her talk. You've said your own.
I don't want her to come close to me. Stay on her own.
And you grow inside my womb.
And you told her
Let
you
me
abandon her.
first.
You cannot.
Oh,
You
You've
do
seen it now. Are you so you being the mother? She grew in your womb. Is that the priority? Is that enough reason for you to behave or do whatever that you think you can do because you are the mother? That is one problem I have with all these so-called mothers. I have this problem with them. You just fulfill your biological responsibilities as a woman. It's not a priority for you to treat your children anyhow. Look at it.
I envisaged this, and that was why, right from onset, I told you that the way to start off is first to be seeing them and spending some time with them. You need that first. If you are alone, you are not, because for you, it's obvious you'll be putting Pepe at bedroom. Let them bond. She has her issues with her mother, but let the two of them sort it out.
It's not important.
But you are adding to it. It shouldn't be. You are a pastor. That's the one that is paying me.
I'm the one who sent this son to school. After she abandoned in my house. Who sent her? In my house. You
Okay.
parents that sent you part-time.
Okay, you sent her to school. She's your wife. She has 3 children. There are 3 of you.
In my house. Who sent her?
Order!
She has 3 children for you.
I don't like the stand of Judge Fumi in this video. This is the only video of Judge Fumi that I felt on her. Let's read what somebody said here. This judge was partial, honestly, for not telling the woman her wrongs. So much for women, supporting women. You see, this one is coming from a comment section. This person said, from the comment section, he said, this judge spared the woman. She needed to be told the same truth. Are you seeing it? This very woman has been raising her hand up, and the judge always allow her to talk. But when this man wants to talk, she will shut him down. Look at it now. Is it not what some people said, women supporting women? Look at what happened here. Do you know the mental damage and what this woman has done to their children that made this child to be crying in the court? Look at it now. Let's continue.
Even if you sent her to school, it's because you can afford to, right? And you chose to. Was it not out of it? Nobody could have forced you.
Yes,
did anybody force you?
He loved him. Yeah, because
were
he
you
loved
forced?
her. Because he loved
Then
her.
I thought we were one.
So
Yes.
you are what?
Then I thought we were one.
So now you are no longer one, but you've produced children.
The judge is not being fair.
So-
Look out for the house. I'm not the one I'm pursuing.
The judge is
So-
not being fair in this place.
If the children have issues with her, let them discuss it. Let them sort themselves out. It's a process it's a healing process you have to
It's
go
not
through.
truth.
I know you can't live with that. I've envisaged and foreseen that. So it's a gradual thing. Start with this. Then you start building from there. Okay. Is your phone number here too? So
I don't think that this young girl will ever still bond with the mother because of some feelings, unresolved issues. That is just the reality. But I don't know what you might think. Just drop your own opinion in the comment section. Don't forget to share the video. Thank you for watching.